Hello all, good morning. Welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based mini store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with sarees and dress materials. So we have stocked the imitation jewelleries. So we are dealing only with the sarees and dress materials. We are giving all the products at the best price as much as possible. Okay. So today I am having some linen silk sarees. Okay. It's all our digital printed linen silk sarees. They are organic sarees. Okay, the dye that is used is natural colors. So all the sarees will be having different designs and unique designs. So all are priced at 980 rupees, 980 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So I will explain the details of the sarees with the product display. So all of the sarees are very lightweight. All the sarees are very lightweight and all of them are digital printed. It's a linen silk saree. Okay, each has a unique concept. So this is the first saree. It's a multicolor saree. Okay, it's a multicolor saree. So this is the body part. Okay, it's a different unique concept that is maintained, that is done in this particular designs. So this is a saree, the body's design. Okay, it's a linen silk. It's a very soft fabric only. Okay, and you have the pallu as a little contrast. Okay, so this is a pallu with fancy tassels as well, and the blouse piece. And this is the blouse piece. Okay, you have the contrast pallu and blouse piece. The saree body part is multi designed. Okay, it's all of them are light fabric. The dye used is the natural dye. Okay, it's an organic saree. So this is the first saree. This is how the saree will be looking. All of them are very lightweight sarees. Okay, this is the first one, priced at 980 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So this is the one. It's a multicolor one. And the second one has the doll design. It's a maroon shaded one. Okay, this is the pallu. I will show you the body part first. So you have this kind of doll designs printed. Okay, it's all digital printed. Okay, this is how the design will be looking. And you have the pallu also digital printed. Okay, you have the contrast pallu and the blouse piece. It's a similar to a kalamkari design in the blouse piece, but it's not kalamkari. It's similar to the kalamkari design. Okay, hope you can able to see the full saree clearly. Okay, so this is the blouse piece and you have the pallu as like this, and this is the saree. Okay, it's a brown maroon shaded one. So this is a blouse piece and pallu and saree, priced at 980 rupees. All of the fabric is a linen silk. Okay, and it's an organic saree. The dye used is a natural dye. And this is the third one. It's a red with green combination, a different combination, a different design as well. So this is how the body part of the saree will be looking. You have the red color shaded, and this is the blouse piece. Sorry, this is the pallu, green color, light green color with, and the blouse piece comes contrast as well, so light green. So this is the third saree. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. It's a red with green. Okay, shipping charges is extra. COD is also available across India. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have given in the description also. So this is the next one. It's again a multicolor one with a different shade. Okay, this is the saree. The base is a green one. Okay, it has the multicolor purple, blue and grey, black, everything together. So you have the pallu. This comes the same design as well, but the blouse piece comes contrast. So this is the light green color blouse. So this is the next saree. This is how the saree will be looking. So I will be posting the pictures of the sarees in my page also for your reference. So this is the next one. All of them are very, very lightweighted. You can give the regular wash as well. So it's black with beige combination. So all the printing is different in each and every saree. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's actually a dark black color. A slight color variation is coming in the video. It's a black color, okay. Black with beige combination. And this is the pallu. We have the printing different in each and every saree, and the blouse piece comes contrast as well. Okay, so this is the blouse piece. So this is how the saree will be looking. Priced at 980 rupees. I will show you the body design again because it's not clearly visible. So this is how the body will be looking. All the designs are digital printed using the natural dyes. Okay, the colors is natural dye, organic sarees these are. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, I'm moving to the next one now. It's ivory white color with pinkish red combination. It's actually light, it has the flavor of red color mainly, but it actually has the flavor of pink also. So this is the blouse piece. Okay, in the blouse you have the stripe design. It has a single side border. So this is the pallu. Okay, it has a single side border. I will show you the body, full body of the saree. Only in the bottom part you have the main designs. Okay, in the upper part it's actually a plain. It has the feel of the matka silk. Actually the design I am saying, not the fabric. The fabric is a linen silk. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, so blouse piece, pallu and the saree. Okay, priced at 980 rupees. 980 rupees. All the sarees which are showing us 980 rupees. So I'm moving with the next one now. This one is a brown shade. So this is the body part. You have the circle designs in the printing. Okay, and this is the pallu. In all the sarees you have the tassels in the pallu. Okay, and the blouse piece contrast, it's a blue color. This is the blouse piece. So this is how the saree will be looking. I will be posting the pictures of the sarees as well. COD is available across India with certain limitations to limited pin codes alone. If the area is very, very rural, it's not serviceable. COD is not serviceable. So you can, if you have a doubt on your pin code, you can always check with me before opting for COD. So this is a pink color with orange shade. So this is how the saree will be looking. All of the sarees are digital printed. Okay, you have the purple and the borders as well. So main color is pink and orange. So this is the pallu and this is the blouse piece. This is the saree design. This is the blouse piece. Okay, this is the saree design. This is the last saree for today's live. Okay, so all of the sarees are priced at 980 rupees. COD is available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. This is the collections which I have in the linen silk. So I will be posting the pictures after the live in my page. Please like my page. Keep supporting. Thanks for all your supports and cooperation. That's all guys. Thank you. Have a good day.